Okay, Babu.
Days of the week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's learn 7 days of the week one by one. Let's spell it. Sunday, Sunday, we start the week. Monday, Monday, so much to see. Tuesday, Tuesday, we learned so much. Wednesday, Wednesday, we have such fun. Thursday, we make new friends. Friday, weekend begins. Saturday, we celebrate. 7 days in a week. Bye kids, see you later.
हमारी हौसला अफजाई के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर लाजमी कर दें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।